and dignitaries on the dais, respected Chief Secretary Goa, and all my other dear people of Goa present in the hall. It is a great honor to be present here in Goa today to witness this historic milestone for the state of Goa. Under the Ullas scheme, it is the first time that Government of India has defined literacy and also the criteria to define and declare full literacy of any state or UT. Goa has now met that criteria, and today Goa is proud to announce itself as fully literate. And a better day could not have been chosen for this. This is a very inspiring achievement and setting an example for the rest of the country. Ullas scheme, which aptly means joy, and it is bringing joy to crores of people in the country. It is a source of happiness and motivation and hope for individuals aged 15 and above who have somehow lost the opportunity to go to school and have been left behind in the literacy thing. So it provides them a second chance to learn, grow, and contribute meaningfully to the society. Now, as we all know, that literacy is a very basic skill. And for any human being, it is necessary to maneuver life through literacy and to achieve the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji's Viksit Bharat. No citizen should be left behind in this basic skill. So that is the attempt of Ullas. The scheme was launched in April 22, and since then it has made tremendous progress. It works under the inspiring vision of volunteerism, and which is inspired by Kartavya Bodh of every person. So each of us should be aware that if there is any illiterate person around us, it should be our duty to make them literate, which is not very difficult, which does not require much effort also, a little bit of time from you and a motivation of the learner herself or himself to learn. And this is the first time that any scheme on adult education is also running digitally. Goa has been very fast in achieving that special feature of the scheme. So we have this Ullas app, which is a key enabler of the scheme. And I'm proud to say that within 2 years, we have more than 1.77 crore learners on the app and more than 40 lakhs of volunteers on the registered on the app, which has 26 primers in 26 languages. So that local languages study, which is the focus of national education policy, is not left behind. So each learner can learn in their own mother tongue. So in this also, Goa has shown agility in adapting these materials to local languages like Konkani and Marathi, ensuring that each learner is covered, including those in the rural and migrant communities. And the method followed by Goa to determine full literacy is also very exhaustive, and they have gone right up to the smallest village to determine and do the survey and find out who the illiterates are and then make them literate. So according to the PLFS report, which is the NSSO thing of 23-24, Goa's literacy rate is 93.6%, which is itself amongst the highest in the country. And both male and female population have good scores. However, as per their own survey, Goa has now achieved much more than that. And it has crossed 99%. So I think it deserves a big applause. Honorable Chief Minister will talk more about that. This reflects Goa's long-standing commitment to quality education and inclusive development. I would like to also appreciate the efforts of the Goa education team, including the SCRT, the local administration, school heads and volunteers under the able leadership of the Principal Secretary Education. And the volunteers deserve a special recognition too. Their proactive planning, community engagement, and consistent training initiatives have played a key role in helping Goa achieve this milestone. I once again congratulate Goa to become fully literate on this important day of 39th Goa Statehood Day and setting an example for the rest of the country. Sagada Goekarang Parabi, Dev Bare Karu. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Awasthi, for briefing us about the scheme Ullas and also for being very supportive and cooperative in